Good evening, Sonam.
Oh, good evening. Good evening.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking, Sonam. So, Sonam, you are aware of the topic that we're going to discuss today, right?
Yes, yes.
Have you referred the session document?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I
So,
go through
before we
it.
move on to that, tell me something about your day. How was your day?
It was pretty good
Hmm.
as I'm doing my as usual routine.
Okay.
I I did my household work and also I do some exercise and yoga. And after
Nice.
that, I also do some productive thing so that I improve my communication. So
That's great. That's commendable. That sounds good, Sonam. So, we'll quickly move on to the topic that we're going to discuss.
okay, okay, obviously.
Yeah, because we have limited time.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, what's the topic that we're going to discuss today?
It's a unconditional situation, maybe.
Unexpected challenges.
Yes,
So,
yes. It's a
do you like?
hypothetical situation. Yes.
Okay. So, do you like challenges? Personally,
Yeah, definitely. I like challenges.
that sounds good. Okay, Sonam. So, the hypothetical situation that I'm going to provide. So, there was one situation which was already there in the document. Do you want to discuss on that? Do you want to talk on that particular situation, or should I give you another situation?
First of all, you may give me that one. After that, you may give me another. So that okay.
Okay, sounds good. So, as you are aware, like the situation which was mentioned there was that you're working somewhere, let's say, and all of a sudden a police officer knocks your door or rings your bell, and uh, they arrest you without giving any reasons. They don't inform you about the charges either. They just take you to with them, and uh, I mean, they take you to the police station. So, what would be your first reaction?
Maybe I was in home or I'm in office. Yeah.
It could be any place. You were, let's say, you were in home. You were at home, and the police came, and they did not inform you what happened, or they did not show you any warrant either. They just
Okay.
came, they picked you up, and they took you to the police station.
Okay. First of all, the situation is really heart-wrenching situation for me because it's I never face situation like this.
Hmm.
So I would be frightened at that point of time because this is really terrifying situation. So, mm but at that point of time, I keep myself calm and composed because
Okay.
after all, although I'm nervous, but
Hmm.
I have to keep myself in moderation. Okay,
Okay.
because I no, I don't have any choice.
Right.
So even maybe police officer have some kind of wrong evidence or they have some kind of misconception because of my name or anything
Hmm.
else. They have some misconception maybe.
Okay.
So I'm very optimistic and a very rational person. So
Okay.
hopefully it will be over. Yes, my answer will be yes. And
Okay. So, mhm. Yeah, please go on.
yes, in this situation I can't do anything because I don't have any choice. They go
Okay.
going to arrest me, but uh, it's my prerogative. I will ask them why you are doing this to
Hmm.
me. Okay,
Okay.
and I also seek help from the lawyers.
There seems to be a breakage.
I will seek
Okay.
legal helps.
Okay.
Hello,
Uh,
can you hear me?
yep. There was some disturbance, but yes, now you are audible.
Yes, I'm
Okay,
saying.
Sonam. Yeah. Continue, please.
Yes, I'm saying I definitely seek help from legal authorities, and definitely I tell to my family about this.
Okay. Okay. So let's say if they allow you to make one call, only one phone call. So
Mm.
who will you call first? Like who will you call?
Definitely,
Like
I
who
will
you would
call
be looking
my.
for?
Definitely, I will call my parents, my father,
Okay.
because in this situation they are very. He is very well versed how to deal with.
Okay.
I'll definitely call to my father.
Okay. So you'll call your father. So you
Yeah.
won't look for a legal help before calling your father. You won't call your advocate or your attorney.
Yes, if they give me permission for that, then I definitely seek help from legal authorities. Okay.
So yeah, that is what I just wanted to know. I mean, if there was a situation that they allow you to make one call, so
Okay.
you'll call your parents first, or you'll make a call to your lawyer.
Yes, first of all, I will call definitely lawyer.
Hmm.
Yes, because it's a very adverse situation. Maybe
Right.
my family were not that much aware of it, but lawyer have so many idea related to all kind of things. So definitely, I will talk with my lawyer.
Great. Okay. And let's say the day that they came to pick you up or to arrest you was a Saturday. So I believe you are aware, like if you need to get a bail, so on Saturdays and Sundays the courts are closed, so you cannot get a bail on those days.
Okay.
So if there was a Saturday that you were arrested on a Saturday, and you were aware that you now have to live in a lockup for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. So what will be your reaction, and how will you prepare yourself to spend those 2 days in the lockup?
Yeah, really, it's very unfortunate. It's
Hmm.
going to happen to me, but yeah, it's very lousy
Hmm.
experience. Okay, so maybe at that at that point of
Hmm.
time, mm, uh, at that time of point, I will be do some productive things, which I know. I will do some meditation, spiritual
Okay.
things,
Okay.
because I
So
don't have
you said,
anything.
yeah. Okay. Sorry for the interruption. So Sonam, you said that it will be very unfortunate. So the correct word here will be unfortunate.
Yeah,
So
yes,
it will be
yes.
very unfortunate,
Yeah,
right?
it will be
Other than that,
unfortunate.
yeah. And earlier while you were speaking, so you said that I will be in moderation. So in moderation, when you talk about moderation, so it is something that you're doing something on a greater extent. Let's say if you're smoking, or if you are on alcohol, so you're consuming alcohol uncontrollably, so in that it is more appropriate. But when you're talking about the situation which is something like an unexpected situation, so moderation would not be an appropriate word there, but rest of the
Apart
things
from,
were okay. Sorry.
okay. Apart, what's the other alternative for moderation?
So here moderation would, like, there would not be a synonym that you can use here, but a more appropriate word would be, as you earlier said, that I will be more calm and composed in that situation. I'll try to keep my cool. That is how you can phrase this, right? I'll try to keep my cool, or I'll be calm, I'll be composed. That is how you can put it, right? So
Okay.
okay, so moving forward to the situation, when you were you spent that weekend, that horrible time in the lockup, and on Monday you come to know that it was like a goof up that they made, and they were looking for some other person, and they arrested you instead. So what will be your first reaction, and how will you deal with this situation?
No, I can't. I didn't get. Can you repeat it?
Okay, I'll repeat it. So, when you spent your time in the lockup on Monday, they told you that it was a mistake from their end and they were looking for some other person, but they arrested you instead of that person. So, how would you react to that and how will you deal with that situation?
At that point of time, definitely I feel very, very uh,
Angry?
annoying or irritate. Uh,
Okay.
it's annoying me, but the same point, I face this type of problem. It's also give me strength. If I have this kind of situation, so how can I handle it? So I get some kind of experience. So okay, everything happen for the better. So I'm very optimistic person. So I will take it positive. I will take it positively.
And provided that you can like if you can take a legal action against that officer, so will you go for that option or you will leave it as it is because it's been done and dusted now?
No, I will not take. If he think that he did something very wrong, and
Hmm.
he apologize, so then
Hmm.
I will not go for any legal action, because
Okay.
because they are not doing anything in deliberately, or you may say intentionally. They are doing their duty because they have
Hmm.
some kind of misconception, wrong evidence, so it's okay.
That's really generous of you. So a lot of people like you would go on the other way around. They will seek legal actions against the officer. They might go to press. So that's something which is very,
I think
different.
this is a waste of time. Okay,
Hmm.
if I do anything in haste, maybe situation become more worst. Okay, so I will not go for any kind of things, because as I told you, I'm very optimistic and rational. I make myself very calm and
Hmm.
compose at that type of point.
Great.
Can you hear me? Hello.
Uh, yes, you are audible to me. There was some disturbance, but it is okay, manageable.
Okay.
So, Sonam, that will be all. So, I'll give you my quick feedback on this. But before we
Okay.
do
Okay.
that,
Definitely.
do you think like what do you think according to you? What are your challenges, or what are the things that you need to work on according to you? What do you feel?
In English.
Yeah.
Relate. Yes. Actually, I want to build confidence. Okay, because
Okay.
in nowadays communication is very important. If I have that kind of confidence level, if I gain, so
Mm.
it's good for my career. Okay, that's why I want to build my confidence level, and I also I want to become more fluent.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes. Hello. There was some disturbance. I guess there is some network issue at your place. Maybe I'm not sure. Uh, So yeah, so you want to build confidence, you want to gain confidence, and you want to become more fluent. Is what you
Yes, yes, definitely.
say. Okay. Okay. So first thing, confidence. I see a lot of improvement. I mean, this is the first time that we are having an interaction, but yeah, I feel that you have ample confidence in you yourself. But yeah, if you need to work on that, again, you can speak with someone who is, and as you already have subscribed to the Clappingo, and I believe you would also have some people in your surrounding who are fluent in English.
Right now, I don't have that kind of environment. That's why I joined this Clappingo. So I think this is the best
Oh,
platform to continue with.
certainly. So that it will be really helpful, and we hope we add value in your journey. So, see, a quick feedback from my end. I must admit that you are very well versed with the vocabulary. You know plenty of words, and you know how to use those words most often. The only thing that I noticed was that there were some sentences which were like you might need to work a bit on your tenses. As you said that I keep myself calm and composed. So when you're talking about a future instance, right, so I will keep myself calm and composed because it didn't happen yet. I am calm and composed at the moment, and I will keep myself, or I usually keep myself calm and composed. That is something which happens. But if it is going to happen in the future, so it will be I will keep myself calm and composed. And there were a few sentences where this will or was
But
just
this
these were.
situation is at the past. You are asking related to past, no? So how can I speak?
Okay, so we are talking about a situation which is going to happen. It was
Which is
not
going to
past.
happen? Okay, okay. But I thought of past,
Okay,
or
okay.
maybe I
So
heard, I have some misconception.
no problem. So this was something which I noticed. Other than this, I guess you're doing really good. And once you keep on practicing on these things, and your confidence will gradually improve. That is for sure. You are fluent, and I don't see that there are much issues in the sentence formation. But yes, there could be some situation. A lot of time, what happens is that when you're overwhelmed by the number of words that you know so much that you sometimes fail to execute that a lot
Definitely.
of knowledge. So that could be that could be an issue. And another challenge that happens is that when you're talking to someone, see, you are aware of a lot of words, but when you're talking to a layman, let's say, who is not that well versed with the language, so a lot of times there could be a possibility that they will not understand the word that you're trying to say or the message that you're trying to convey. So it changes according to the person that you're speaking with. So these are the only things that I would suggest, but everything other than this, you're doing considerably good. And I believe the session was helpful for you.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so we'll be
Could I ask you
disconnected.
something? Where are you from?
Yeah, sure, sure. I'm from Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Ahmedabad. Okay, Gujarat.
And
Okay,
you're from
and I'm from Kolkata.
Kolkata.
And how was the
I've been to
situation
Kolkata.
over there?
It is okay. I mean, there are the number of cases are more, but it is still comparatively better than Maharashtra or the other states.
Maybe situation is deteriorating now, day by day,
It
gradually.
seems to